Deck to Motorsports 2016 Duramax. Got the Kryptonite front end kit. Powder coated in white. Turned out really nice. Now you do have to take the steering box off, remember, to get the pitman arm off. I loosened the 3 bolts there. It'll pop right off. If you want to do it quicker, you can see here, you can cut that pitman arm right here at an angle, and once you start nicking that is when you know to stop, and then you'll get an air chisel. Chisels it right off. I use a crescent wrench with a 5-foot cheater pipe to tighten her back up. And I'll show you guys the wheel bearings and rotors and all that good stuff too. Alright, now our top side. We went with the Kryptonite lifetime warranty hubs. Just OEM rotors. Got me some new lugs. Brakes, calipers are all OEM. This truck does have the BDS 6.5-inch coilover conversion lift on it, as you can see. These are 177. Caliper bolts are 221, I believe. And the spindle bolts are like 177 or something like that. 133 or I think the 133 or 177, I can't remember. Line, you'll just let it hang if it's got enough. Make sure it's always got enough play back and forth so you don't stretch it out. Brake line as well, make sure nothing's hitting. And that's pretty much it on this install. Take a picture when it's done. Thanks, guys.